All right, in this lesson, I want to explore the two primary differences between single and double quotes. The first is that line breaks do not work in single quotes. Single quotes always interpret things a little bit more literally than the double quotes. So for example, if I do something like hello world, and we learned in the last lesson that we can use that /n or the \n escape to add a line break here. We can see here that hello world appears output. There is a line break between the end of hello and the beginning of world. If I instead use single quotes here and write hello/n world, you can immediately tell by my syntax here that Ruby is going to interpret that /n as a regular collection of characters. There's not going to be any line break. It's just going to literally think that there's a character / and there's a character n written in between those two words. Okay, so you can't do any kind of line breaks within a single quoted string. You can do the escape character if you want to escape something like another single quote within, but you can't do a line break. The second big thing is that string interpolation does not work. So to show this, I'm going to create a variable called phrase, and I'm going to set it equal to hello world. And now I'm going to use double quotes, and I'm going to interpolate it. Remember, the syntax for that is the hashtag followed by the curly braces. Within it, you can combine whatever string and, in this case, variable you want. In this case, I'm just going to put my phrase variable, and we're going to output hello world here, no problem. However, if I do puts, and I do single quotes here and repeat the exact same syntax, again, it's going to take it literally. The single quotes do not interpolate. Instead, they think that you're literally wanting to write the characters hashtag followed by curly braces followed by the letters phrase and then the closing curly brace. So here we can see we're literally just going to get hashtag phrase written out here. So those are the two big differences between single and double quotes. Line breaks do not work in single quotes, and interpolation does not work in single quotes. Generally speaking, because of the additional functionality, you're going to see double quotes appear much more often in Ruby code, but sometimes single quotes do serve a purpose. For example, if it's encasing something like a double quote. So I did want to introduce you to both options. All right, I'll see you in the next lesson.